Former Meghalaya Legislator Ardent M said that he has not shifted his stance on the demand for implementation inner line permit in the state. I am in favour of the implementation of inner line permit in Meghalaya for the protection of the indigenous communities, Basaiawmoit said. Talking to the media as the demand for the implement of inner line permit is gaining momentum, Ardent Basaiawmoit, who was the former chief executive member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, expressed the need to have strong mechanism to influx into the state.
Well, you see, I don't see that the government is sincere enough for the implementation of inline permit on our state. Had the government is sincere enough to implement inline permit into our state, they would have done that without even going to the center. But what the government of Meghalaya had done, they adopted the resolution. In the first place, they allow the central government to remove the word Khasi Jaintia from the preamble of the Bengal Eastern Frontier regulation. And now they want to take everybody to demand inline permit system in Meghalaya, which is ridiculous according to my observation. If the government, as I've said earlier, is serious enough, we don't need such kind of an exercise, But the government can only prescribe by notification, a line that may be altered from time to time and implement ILP in our state. Because Khasi Jaintia was very much in the preamble, so there is no problem for the government to implement ILP. And if you go according to the Bengal Eastern Frontier regulation, it was mentioned very clearly that it shall be lawful for the state government to prescribe a line. So why the state government choose to go to Delhi? That is a question that we need to ask those who are in power.
When asked whether the influx in the state has increased or not, Basaiawmoit said the influx has definitely increased due to lack of proper mechanism to check it.
You see, according to what we see, the inflow of outsiders into our state is increasing because there is no mechanism, there is no regulation. So the people can come and go without any restriction at all. So therefore, we feel that in order to protect, to safeguard the interest of the local engineers of the state, we badly need ILP to be implemented in our state.
To another question posed to him whether he would join the Chief Minister's wagon when he will meet the central leadership to press for the implementation of inner line permit in the state, Basaiawmoit said the state government was serious for implementation of inner line permit.
To prevent the central government from repealing and removing the word Khasi Jaintia from the Bengal Eastern Frontier regulation. Yeah, of course, we need we need to organize a very strong demonstration or agitation in order to, send a very strong message to the government of India that how can we allow the government of India to adopt a stepmotherly treatment towards Meghalaya when other northeastern states have been given. Why not Meghalaya?